going and he's going to take a nap.
She's going to take a nap? Does she like to take a nap?
Yeah.
She does? She doesn't cry?
No.
Oh, that's good.
He does look happy.
She does look happy? Yeah, she looks pretty happy. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Why are you happy? Why? Tell me why. Because your baby is happy now? Well, that's a good reason to be happy, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
And that's the stairs.
That's the stairs? Oh, yeah?
And my baby is curly.
She's curly? Nice.
Her hair is curly. Her hair is curly, Mommy.
Nice.
Don't look at it. Is that supposed to be she's going to take a nap?
Oh, you're a good mommy.
Uh-huh.
How did you learn how to be a good mommy? Who taught you?
I'm going to start it. My baby's daddy.
Oh my gosh! Your baby's daddy? Oh my gosh! Tina, really? Who's your baby's daddy?
She's her daddy.
She's her daddy?
She's my daddy.
That's your brother.
And that's her dad. And my grandma is in this video. And then there's in this,
Ohio.
Ohio.
Grandma and Randall is in Ohio.
And Grandma is in Ohio.
Where?
Miranda is Ohio.
Ohio? Where's Grandma, Chito? Where? To Ohio.
Ohio.
In Ohio?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, far, far away, huh?
Yes.
We miss them, huh?
Yeah, we miss them.
Yeah, what? Well, what about the time that a bird pooped on Grandma's truck?
He's pretty good and he's not pretty.
The birdie? Remember? What did that birdie do?
He pooped on Grandma's truck.
Ew.
That's nasty.
I know. Christian's gonna get a whooping. Yes, you are. Should I give Chito a whooping?
No.
Why? I think I should give him a whooping.
No.
I think so.
Yeah.
What?
I'm going to get a whooping.
What about you?
I'm not.
Why? I think you should get a whooping too. Just for being his sister. And you two are just a pain in the rear end.
Because you're a smacky.
Because I will smack you, right?
Because I'll smack you too.
What happens if you get a whooping?
Yeah. Whooping.
No, you will. And then you will cry like a big baby.
Yeah, I'll cry like a big baby.
I won't cry.
You cry.
Whoopings don't hurt me no more.
Whooping you talk like a baby.
No, I don't. You talk like a baby.
You talk Please.
Okay. We're gonna stop video
Nice.
taping. Say bye.
Bye.
Nice conversating.
Nice cover.